Hello, my friends. How are you again? This is me, and I am sharing with you another video of my garden with the current situation and what I am doing with it. So you can see that it has a name. It says Mayet and Lisa's Beginner Gardener's Heaven. So we are actually selling plants. Locally we deliver. Those plants are really on good prices because they're stable and has like 6 to 7 leaves in it, and it's even below 400 or 300. So we also maybe do some barter if they're rare, and at the same time we also sell online. So check our online post in Instagram, Emerald Fields and Moonbeams, and also in our Facebook, Mayet and Lisa's Beginner Gardener's Heaven, and also in Emerald Fields and Bounty, all both in Facebook. Anyhow, so we have these plants here that most of them are rare. I'm still collecting and propagating so that I can sell at a better price, lesser, not expensive. So I have quite a lot of aglaonemas, which are the ones that are saleable with me, and I'm not selling ornamentals yet because I'm trying to make it big, grow bigger, and that's when I'll sell them. Still propagating, so I don't want to buy a lot of ornamentals. I would rather do some repotting or propagating myself so that I can sell it at a good price, and it's affordable since it's the Beginner Gardener's Heaven. So I'm not gonna talk much. I would like for you to enjoy because I'm focusing almost each plant so you can see the texture, design, and also their species and names. And it's been raining here in the Philippines. It's almost every day. Maybe just stop for 2 or 3 days max that there's no rain, and it's humid and it's hot. And all my electricity, I pay a lot of my electricity because I stay there. I use it until the morning, that when I wake up, and I sleep late, so I wake up late. I still have a lot of organizing to do, so later on I'm going to do some tour in my house on what I did with my plants, putting my plants, but my house is small, so there's not much to show except the utilization of the space and arranging my things. I haven't even bought some furnitures because I'm waiting to see what I can find that really fits the place and I like the design. So that's me, and it's okay. I'm still comfortable without it, as long as I have a good bed and a cool bedroom for food in the refrigerator. I'm good, and I'm blessed that the house is good structure, knowing that here in the Philippines we encounter so many things, and we'll just have to pray. Say it's a global warming and all the things that's been going on now, like earthquake here, earthquake there, typhoon or landslide, and so many calamities, and we hope and pray that nothing much greater than Yolanda or Odette or whatever will happen again. So let's just pray, because we will all get affected by it. Everything will get affected, especially the ones that are deprived or cannot afford much in other things, if things should ever happen from the calamities. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for viewing my videos. I am going to visit you too, and do the things that needed to be done, and let's hang in there. I have a story also that I have to keep up because of what's happened in my channel. I was inactive, and so they took my advertising, and so I have to make it that I have to get to the 4,000 hours again, so that I can be doing some advertising. And I hope that they'll be kind not to do that, because we went through with the pandemic, and I was traveling, and there's just so many things that happen. Anyway, God bless us all. Thank you so much, and I'll let you just finish the video and listen to the music and check on the plants. Thank you. Love you. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, hit and like and share, and watch the video to the very end. And I appreciate everything that you do for me, your support and everything. I love you guys. Bye.